Guys, my name is Carly. I'm a Haley's Hair Elastic brand ambassador, and I'm currently a freshman at the University of Alabama majoring in nursing. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make this DIY makeup brush dryer using Haley's Hair Elastics. I like to use this because I'm in a dorm and I don't have a lot of space or a lot of items or tools to wash and dry my brushes. And it's actually a really awesome way because when you just leave your brushes out to dry or up like this, it actually causes the water to go into the bristles. So when I leave them drying like this, the water goes out, making my brushes actually last longer. And since I go out a lot as a college student, I'm wearing makeup all the time, and I like to wash my brushes like this, and it's a really awesome way. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm gonna start off with an Alabama colored elastic because Roll Tide, and you're gonna take your brush and your elastic and wrap it around like this so it looks like that, and just wrap it around one more time to make it stay sturdy. And it's gonna look like this. And if you have a smaller brush, you can do the same thing. Just wrap it around 2 or 3 times because they're nice and stretchy. And that's what it looks like. And I usually hang it up in my bathroom in my dorm and let it just air dry like that, and it is super awesome. Thank you for watching.
For all types of hair and for people of all ages. We ship globally and have quick turnaround time. So why not twist it up today with Haley's Hair Elastics and have great hair days forever.